Good morning, guys. I just unboxed my new cleaning tool. Yeah, mga kaibigan, dahil ako'y matanda na, nahirapan na ako maglinis ng bahay. So, ito, ano sa akin kung ano daw ang parang Christmas gift exchange. So, sabi ko, ito ang gusto kong maging Christmas na regalo. So nagkaroon kami ng parang Christmas gift. So ito po ang binuksan ko na. Ayan. So ito, ayun ayun na siya Chine-charge ko siya para magba-vacuum siya ng floor. Para hindi na ako nagwawalis, mga kaibigan, kasi alam mo, pagka mga medyo thunders ka na kagaya ko, parang sumasakit na likuran mo, ayaw mo na masyadong naglilinis, kaya kailangan ko ng tulong, di ba? So, ito ang nakuha kong Christmas gift sa aming gift exchange. So, I'm charging it right now and I will show you how it works. And I will also put a camera on top so that you will see where it's cleaning. You know, it's gonna go that way, this way. You can actually program this via Wi-Fi and you know, to where it will go in the house. Mostly it will go in here and also underneath the bed where the dust accumulates. And this thing here, this is where the dirt is gonna go to. So once it's done, or you're done using it, this will connect again here, and it will dump the trash that you accumulated when you were vacuuming the floor. All right, so I will show you that. So I didn't show the exact unboxing, but that's how this is how it looks like. Yeah. All right. So actually, makakatipid ka nito. You can save money. You don't have to hire help to clean up your house. This machine will help you clean up the house. All right. Let's go try it out.
Magaling na. Pupunta siya dun dahil hindi pa masyadong nawalis doon. Ay naba. Talagang inaano niya. Hindi pa mawalis. Yan, sa bibig. Nalilinis mo yan.
Pati gilid pala, no? Sa ilalim, magaling, ano? Ano ba tawag natin dito?
Ang pangalan niya, Sharky Bot.
Sharky Robot? Sharky boat. Shark boat. Parang ano yung baby shark ah. Para yung kantang baby shark. Yeah, baby shark. Talaga naman ha. Sipag niya oh. Hindi napapagod oh.
After 60 minutes, matatapos.
Okay, there this guy here. Once he's done cleaning the house, he's gonna come back over here. Let me show you. Hi, bud. He's gonna come back to the base. Right here. And then the robot will unload the dirt in here, this hole here. Okay, just a moment. I'm filming. All right, see, we read the instruction for you guys for this shark robot. Okay.
Going back.
Yeah. It says here, systematically cleans room to room for 50% coverage. So the other robots, they're doing it this way, but this robot is doing it like that to clean the room. So that's pretty cool. And let's see what else we can see here. There you go. Okay. Step 1, prep your home. So prepare your home. Set up for success. You can put some boundary strip if you want, but we don't want that. So because we want to get the corners clean, so we're not putting this boundary strip. We prepared the robot, set up the base, the dock. That's where the cleaning robot is gonna connect. All right. Step 5, plug in the base, charge the robot, and then there you go. Step, download the Shark Cleaner application. And what to expect: avoid moving the robot or the base or the docking. Yeah. Check base fill level, lighting condition it for better result. It has to be well lit condition. Yeah. So I will be using this during the day. Your robot can easily climb over most threshold. Okay, that's cool.
What's up, bro? Those are my slippers. Those are my slippers, bro. Sorry, bro. Those are my slippers, bro.
Yeah. All right, guys. It says duck. How did you know it's duck?
Ano yun? Tingnan mo yung light. It's green. It
Yeah.
says dock.
Also, it's time for him to go back to. Okay, so he's gonna go to the dock now.
Just don't block the
Don't block the driveway, huh? Come on, let's go to the dock, man. You're done over there, buddy. Let's go. Go back to the dock. Okay, here's Mr. Shark. He's gonna go back to its docking station right there. It's gonna go back to its docking station. Here we go. Where you going? Go back to your docking station. That's where you belong, buddy. Wow! Umikot talaga siya in preparation for the docking station, huh? Very nice! Wow! Nice! Look at that. Then go straight to the docking station. Wow! This is amazing. Technology.
Actually, yan. Forward siya niyan. Hindi, backward siya. Yan.
Whoa!
Tapos, mag-i-empty siya.
Now it's gonna empty itself, huh?
It's gonna be loud.
It's gonna empty the dirt, the trash inside. Nice! So that's it, guys. That's how this robot works. A lot of cleaning, then go back to its station. Thank you guys for watching your video, and hit the like and the subscribe button. Bye everybody.